other graph. Okay, physics graph is like any other graph. Okay, now here we are going to learn. Hey, subscribers and viewers, thank you very much. Today we are going to learn how to plot physics graph. All right, especially the ones that are decimals. Okay, most times physics graph must be accompanied by decimals. So you can see that u here is decimalized. Okay, it's decimals. Although at this part here, the v section, there are no decimals, but the u section have decimals. What does it imply? It implies that your graph must reflect these decimals. All right. Here we have 46.7, 48.2, 49.8. You can see that now. All right. Then also take note that our smallest value here is 46.7. Okay. So we cannot start this graph from this axis from 0. We may start from maybe 4. Okay. Start from 4 here. Why here we can start from 0? At this section we can start from 0, but from here we can start from 0. Now this is what we have converted the values to. So we are going to convert it to unit, to different units, depending on the number of scales. All right. So first get the scale. The scale we are going to use here is 2 cm to 2 units. 2 cm to 2 units. All right. Let's get the scale first. Once we get the 2 cm to 2 units, now from here, from our graph, this is our graph. This is the graph we are going to use. 2 cm to 2 units. At the u axis, remember we are plotting u at vertical axis. We cannot start from 0. We start from 40 because the values is such high. Okay, the smallest value is very high. So here, if here is 40, here is 42.0, 44.0, here is 46.0. Okay, why here is 40? This here is 46, here is 48.0. Okay, then here we have 50.0. Here we have 52.0. Right? Here we have 54.0. While here we have 56.0. Right? That's what we have on this axis, this vertical axis. Then on the horizontal axis, we take 2 cm to represent 5 units. So here we take 2 cm for 5 units. That's 5.0, 10.0, okay, 15.0, 20.0, 25.0, and 30.0. Here 35.0, and let's make it 40.0. Right? So this is what we have now in our graph. So take a good look at it. All right? So our scale is already known. We are taking on the u axis, we have chosen our scale already. You can see it from here, both u and v axis. Now the question is, how do we convert this 46.7 to units? All right? Now we know from here. Note that from here, from the origin to the first value to 42, is 2 units. Right? It's 2 units, and that 2 units we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 tiny boxes. Okay, the smallest box is 10. So use that 10 to divide 2, because from 40 to 42 is 2. So 2 divided by the 10 by 10. 2 divided by 10. If you have 2 divided by 10, you are going to have 0.2. 0.2. All right. So it is that 0.2 you'll be using throughout. Okay. So use 0.2. Divide this by 0.2. Divide by 0.2. Divide 46.7 by 0.2. You are going to get 33.5 and approximately 34. So here will be 34. Okay, this is 34 units. This is 34 units. We have converted by dividing the 46, instead of using 46, use 6.7, not 46. Remember, we didn't start from 0. We started from 40. So always subtract 40 from each of them. Yeah, this is 48.2, but it's going to be 8.2 because we didn't start from 0. Okay, if you do this to this value, you will get 41 units. Okay, 41 units. Remember, we are dividing by 0.2, which is the scale factor. Then 49.8 is 9.8 because you subtract 40. We subtract 40 and you have 9.8 and divide by 0.2. Okay, you get 49. So here we are going to get 49 units. 49 units. Then 51.4. 51.4. So 51.4, if you divide it by 0.2, you are going to get 57. We are going to get 57. Then 53.2, which is 13.2. 13.2. If you divide it by the scale factor, it will give you 66. It will give us 66. Okay. Then let's divide this now. The last one. Okay. If you do the same to this last one, you get 73 units. Now, instead of plotting 10 against 46.7, okay, we'll just plot 10 against 34, 15 against 41, 20 against 49, okay, and that's how we are going to do it in this graph. So let's quickly do that to save our time. Remember, time is precious, especially in physics practicals. We don't joke with time. So when we have 10, okay, 10, instead of plotting for 6.7, we plot 34 units, okay, 34 units in place of 46.7. So let's go to where we have 10, 34. So where we have 10, this is 10. So count 34, this is 10. Okay, count 34, this is 10, 20, 30. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 34. We plot here. This is 34. So this is what we have for the first plot. The second plot, where we have 15, okay, where it is 15, instead of plotting 48.2, we plot 41 units. Okay, we plot 41 units instead of plotting 48.2. So instead of plotting 48.2. So let's go there quickly. You plot 48 in place of 48 point this. So let's just plot it that way. That's what we are going to do throughout. So 41, 15 is 41. 15 is 10, 20, 30, 40. 41. So that's 15. Then for 20 is 49. 10, 20, 30, 40. 49 is here. Okay. Then for that's for 20. For 25. For 25 is 57. 25 is 57. So let's go to 25 and plot 25, 57, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 57 is here. Then for that's for 25. Okay, for 30 is 66. 30, 66. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 66. So this is what we have here. Okay. Then for the next one, for the last one, is 73 for 35. So this is 35. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 75. Right? It's 75. So this is what we've gotten. You can see that it was easier for us to plot. Once you finish this, what do? Get your line of best fit. Your line of best fit. Okay, ensure that you draw the line of best fit. Alright, the line of best fit is a line that is drawn such that other points which did not touch the line are